Hello, Sammy Fam. Look at what we have here. It is the infamous Halo Top. And this is vanilla maple. Now, it has been a minute since we have done a Halo Top review. But I think you all will remember, and if you don't, here's a little refresher. How bad it's gone before.
You know what? This cost like $6. It was extra expensive. For trash. Get out here.
But maybe this one will be different. A few of them are okay. I haven't tried the vanilla maple yet. It's dairy-free coconut milk. It's only 70 calories per serving, and that is 280 calories for the whole pint here. Ingredients: coconut milk, some fiber. Oh yeah, they add fiber to these to make it seem healthier. Cane sugar, some alcoholic sugar mix thing, fake sugar thing. Well, let's just dig in. You can see it's dripping. I've let it sit out for about 10 minutes because of the makeup of these is not quite like regular ice cream. You're supposed to let it sit out and get a little bit melty before you eat it because it freezes very hard and it's very unpleasant. And already the texture of these is usually bad. Well, it looks like ice cream, but it might be ass cream. Let me be the judge, unless you have one yourself right now as you're watching the video. If not, pause the video, run out, get one. Let's do this together so we can be the judge. It smells bad, though. I just gotta admit that already. Alright, okay. Alright. This is interesting. It reminds me a lot of the oatmeal flavor. It actually really tastes like oatmeal. It isn't. No, this is vanilla maple. Okay. Tastes like the oatmeal flavor though. I understand oatmeal goes with maple. It tastes like breakfast. Vanilla bean, sea salt, pea protein, what? Rice protein. There's absolutely no clue where the maple flavor comes from. And on this, the texture and the consistency is way better than what I had before. Hypothesis here. I'm wondering if this is because they're using coconut milk and not just like a small amount of real milk or skim milk and a lot of water like the other ones have that creates kind of a thicker, grainier texture. This is a lot smoother. It's still there's a little bit of a fine grain grittiness to it, but it's much better and most closer to an actual full cream smoothness. But it really does taste like I'm having dessert oatmeal right now. perhaps oats have a lot of fiber, and so like the fiber content combined with the maple flavor makes me feel that way. This might be the best one I tried yet, though. Honestly, guys, I'm so surprised. Well, I know it's completely out of my character to do so, but if I were to recommend a Halo Top flavor, I would recommend vanilla maple. And you know what I'm going to be on the lookout for? I'm going to be on the lookout for more of the coconut milk dairy-free version. I don't know if it's a version of this flavor or if this flavor only comes in that. It's a little research I'm going to have to do. But I'm going to be looking out for the ones that have the dairy-free coconut milk logo on them, because I think better to have coconut milk than the shitty, like, little tiny bit of dairy the other ones have, that it's really just water. And it's not like, which it's like, water should be fine though, because I've made sorbet before, and it's just simple syrup and water and whatever fruit flavoring that you want, and you just stir it enough that it's smooth. I don't know, maybe something in their manufacturing process is bad. I should go consult at their factory and say, stir it more. Come on, make it smoother. It's gritty and weird. But this is good. This is actually good. It does taste healthy, mind you. Like, I don't really feel like I'm eating ice cream, but I still like it. So I wouldn't eat this side by side with the Ben & Jerry's, of course. That would be weird. And the Ben & Jerry's, I'd be like, well, I like that more as a dessert. But on its own, judged against itself and its compatriots, and its brand of different flavors, it does very well. So good job on this one, Halo Top. I'm going to save the rest and let Sammy girl try this and see if she likes it too. Maybe we can have it after dinner tonight. I think we're going to have spicy sriracha shrimp with arugula and green onion and just like some lightly toasted pita wraps. I'm very excited about it. You guys will probably be seeing that too. Okay, see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.